Did Red show up on Wednesday? I think that's what happened. I don't know. I guess I didn't mark that off. Oops. Oh well. Anyway, hi, Flick's here. I'm here. Let's just get this going and done. So, yesterday was December 1st. We got 5 of these sweaters. 4 of them were new. We just need 1 more. It's not going to be from my main character. It's going to be from, I don't know, one of the other 2 that I still need it from. I don't really remember who got what. It's not super important. Okay, well, there you go. That's not super important either. But thankfully, first house we go to, person is cooking. Or crafting. Yeah. The crafting house doesn't help. I don't need that. I'm not gonna dig up the other one right now. I'd rather spend my time on other things. Where's the recipe? Okay. Ooh, pancakes. Alright, well that's basically that. Let's see if we can get anything here today. Would be nice. Because I haven't really got much that stuff lately. Nope. Alright, well that's unfortunate, but I can't really do much about it. Yeah, I might still half asleep, so that's that. I'm going to run away now. It's been 3 minutes. I'll be back on tomorrow night. We'll see what happens then, and bye.